Hi, welcome or welcome back to Pop and Polish. In this video, we are doing Cortis nails. So let's dive right into the first nail, which is inspired by the car motif that you see in so many of the videos, plus obviously the song Joyride. So to represent this car motif, I decided to paint a car on a nail. And I had never painted a car before, let alone painted a car on a tiny little surface such as a nail. But I'm really happy with how this turned out. And I think it turned out really well and represents that car motif really well. But again, let me know what you think. I started listening to Cortis this summer when I discovered them. And oh my gosh, I have been obsessed with their music ever since and have been thinking about doing a nail set ever since. But I was just waiting for more visuals to come out and so that I could get more inspiration from these visuals. And so finally, when I felt like there was enough visuals that I could pull inspiration from, I was like, I have to do a Cortis nail set. And I'm low-key already thinking about doing a second nail set. But for the second one, I want to know what visuals you think I should pull. So what do I not do in this video that you think I should pull inspiration from? Like, what are your favorite Cortis visuals at the moment? What are your favorite performances? And I will pull some inspiration from those. So make sure you tell me what your favorite visuals and performances are down in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe so that you actually see the second nail set after I do it and see if I pull from your inspiration and visuals. So the second nail that I'm doing is inspired by the fashion live performance at the release party. What I'm trying to go for in this nail is that distressed denim kind of look. I was inspired by the denim outfits that they're wearing during this performance, and I really wanted to see if I could bring that to life in the nail. I think I did a good job, but again, tell me in the comments how you think I did. Do you think this actually looks like denim? Did I pull off that denim look? Or especially from the video? And then, of course, because I don't want it to look like just a regular denim nail, I had to add the word fashion on top. So I spelled out the word fashion, which was actually pretty hard. It's actually quite hard to write on nails, again, because it's kind of rounded, right? So it's a little difficult, but I did it. And for the next nail, I, of course, had to do the Cortis logo because you can't do a Cortis nail set without doing the logo, of course. And I think this turned out quite well. I think the whole set turned out well. Who am I kidding? But again, that's just my opinion. You can leave your opinion in the comments. But I did the Cortis logo, and this was also a little challenging because of the curved surface of the nail, but I'm pleased with how it came out. So on a kind of different note, what do you guys think of the fandom name? So I think the fandom name came out 2 days ago or yesterday? No, I think it came out yesterday. And we are called Coers, which I actually really, really like. I think that's a really, really fun fandom name. But what do you guys think? I know people have different opinions that I've seen kind of around, but tell me your opinion of the fandom name in the comments. But yeah, personally, I really like the fandom name. I think it's great. So the next nail that you're going to see, because this one is pretty much done, is another performance or another fashion performance. It's based off of the Move to Performance. I just feel like I said the word performance so many times. After I saw that performance, I was like, oh my gosh, I have the most perfect green to match that performance, to match the outfits in that performance. That's what I'm trying to say. And I think I did match it pretty well. I don't know. What do you think? And then I wrote Cortis on the nail, and I used a silver chrome just to really make the name Cortis pop. And I just like this nail in general. I just think it really pulls from that Move to Performance video well. But again, I'm always open to your opinions and feedback. The last nail in this set is inspired by the song What You Want, specifically from the What You Want conceptual performance film. I just really was drawn to the colors that were in this performance. I thought they looked so cool. This was another example of after I watched the performance, I was like, I have exactly all those colors in my collection. And I just knew how I was going to use them. I just wanted to kind of do color blocks and then write in, just right on top, WYW to stand for obviously what you want. And I think this nail just kind of rounds out the whole set. It's vibrant, it's fun, it looks pretty, and I just like how it turned out, and I like how it pulls the set together. If you've made it this far in the video, don't forget to subscribe, especially if you want to see a second Cortis set. But this is the final nail, and this is the whole set. Stay tuned in just a moment. You're going to see it in full sunlight. Yes, it looks so good. I just love, love, love this set. It's one of my favorites. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.